Copying lists using slicing lists. Copying lists using slicing lists. Copying lists are very important. If you want to add new elements to your slice list or to edit it, we use copy slicing list to do not make changes to the original one. Let's see how. Okay, first go to brackets and make a list, for example, programming languages or ProgLang. And you want to add elements such as C++, Python, PHP, Swift 4 separated by commas. So, to copy the slice list, make a new list name and try to clarify that it's a copy list, such as copy underscore ProgLang equal ProgLang and the slice list side. You also can specify starting and ending elements. After that, I want to print a string sentence that shows you the original slice list. Then print ProgLang. In here, I want to print a string sentence that shows you the copy slice list is printing here. After that, print copy ProgLang. So let's try that on terminal now. Very good. The copy slicing list is printed well. So right now, let's try to add a new element to the copy list, which clarifies it's only added to the copy list without the original one by typing copy ProgLang dot append parenthesis and add any element. For example, Java. Please don't forget the quotation marks with Java. Then print copy ProgLang. Okay, comment out the first print of copy ProgLang and try that on terminal. Good job! As you see here in the output, the new element was added well in the copy slice list. Thank you.